Today I will do an unboxing. This is a new watch from a micro brand, and let's start it. Here we go, a big black outer paper box, and now inside the middle paper box will tell us this is the NUUN Official. I hope I pronounce it well because this is an Arabic watch brand, and as you can see in the title of this video, for me, or by my opinion, this is a Patek Philippe Nautilus homage, but I guess maybe the best homage, but what is sure, this is the best Patek Philippe Nautilus homage I ever seen. So I could tell if the replica fake Patek Philippe fake watches, or if we can call them watches, so the fake Pateks would be that good like this NUUN Official watch, that would be amazing and would be very scary, because that would be very hard to decide what is a genuine original Patek and what is a fake replica piece. So let's open the box. You see, the packing is very nice, especially from a microbrand, but let's go deeper. Paper, and here we go. We find a very nice wooden inner box. So the white is wood, made of wood, but colored white, and this piece is colored to wood. And let's open it. So this is the watch inside, and here is the page of the brand. I hope NUUN Official sounds good, and this is the new Montre Slim line, what has just landed for me, and the green dialed version with Arabic numerals on the dial and stainless steel. And as you see, this is 400 euros in Europe, so the price is really great. And just to quickly go through the information about the mechanical, or you see, so the technical part. The dimension of the watch is 38mm, maybe we can say wide at the case, and the from lug to lug is 44mm, and the dial is some kind of guilloche we will talk about soon. Arabic indexes. The movement is a quartz movement, that is the GL20 Mayotta. That could be better, at least for me, if that would be an automatic movement, but I'm sure the price and also the thickness of the watch would be much bigger. And as you see, this is 5 ATM, so 50-meter water resistant. You can wash your hand in this watch for sure, but don't go in swimming pool. A little bit closer. Here we got a nice textile surface, a little something here. The box inside is really not in a good condition, as you see. The watch is from Abu Dhabi or Bahrain or Dubai. Let me check. From Bahrain, the Kingdom of Bahrain. So it traveled a lot, and looks like FedEx should protect it better, or maybe the packing wasn't good enough to survive the traveling, because as you see, this is collapsing. Of course, it can be repaired easily with some glue, and I'm sure I will do it because I love the watch very much. And as a little present or gift, we have got here a rubber strap, but with a nice alligator leather styled surface. Of course, quick changing system. We will change it soon. So let's talk about the watch. Alright, so here is the watch in my hands. So as I mentioned before, this is a very good Patek Philippe Nautilus homage for me. And yes, first you can think that it's not good and you can hate it, especially if you are a real Patek owner. But I don't know, I respect this quality because the weight of the watch is very good and very close to the Patek Philippe Nautilus, but in a good way. The bracelet, as you see, is different. It's much closer for a Bulgari Octo Finissimo bracelet, at least in style, but very nicely done, very nicely polished at the edges. You see the links edges are very nicely polished. The surface of the bracelet links are very nicely brushed. Also, we can say it about the case and the bezel, super nicely polished, nearly like Patek could do this. And of course, the surfaces are brushed here, and this is very high quality. So I don't know where is the watch created, so how or where they are producing it. Maybe this is from China, who knows, I don't know, but the quality is ultra cool. And if you check these clasps, what is robust and strong, but also feels elegant and nicely done, and the working of it works and sounds greatly. This is better than, for example, a Tissot bracelet or a Seiko clasps. So super high quality, especially for that 400 euros, if you ask me. And yes, we all see the design is coming from where, but lots of brands, and not just micro brands or smaller brands, but bigger brands are homaging some legendary pieces like the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak or the Rolex Submariner. Maybe these two pieces, especially the Rolex Submariner, is the most we can say replicated or homaged piece on the world. So lots of other brands, for example Seiko, creating similar watches like Rolex Submariner. So why Patek Philippe Nautilus cannot be homaged in this way if the quality is this good? And if you check the dial, that is really amazing. The effect of this guilloche, what is the technique how they create this surface or texture. So the effect of this guilloche is some kind of sunburst, and gives a little feeling of if it would be made from some palm leaves. I hope you understand me. And the beautiful green, this olive green, we can say this, also changing colors depending on the lights and as you're showing or rotating. I am trying to rotate the watch to show you this. So simply beautiful. And the Arabic numerals, of course, if you are an Arabic person, it maybe means a lot for you, but for me this is unique and very nice, and not painted but sticked indexes, nicely created, and this is just cool if you ask me. And they were clever, I mean the NUUN officials, because they haven't put second hand on the dial. So the watch is powered by a quartz movement, yes, but it's not disturbing because there is a tick 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 second hand on the dial. You see only two hands what are standing and of course moving, and always showing accurate time. So why not? It's okay for me. We can complain about it, but for this price range I can accept it. And you see the thickness of the watch is maybe the same like Patek Philippe Nautilus, that is 8.2 millimeter. Maybe this is the same, or maybe even thinner. The case back is engraved, and you see, talking about Luminova in the hand, and there's a strange thing designed in Spain. Maybe yes, this is designed in Spain, I don't know, but the watch is from the Kingdom of Bahrain, so that is cool. And you see screwed in case backs. I like it. My only problem with the watch is that I have too big wrist for it, because the, as I mentioned before, the case is 38mm wide. It's not small on my wrist, but the bracelet is definitely small, so I can barely, oh my, I can barely wear. So this is it. This is how it looks on my wrist. As I think this this looks cool, but this is super tight. I hope I use the correct face, so I cannot really wear it in everyday life because too short is the bracelet. But as you see in stronger light, the brushed and the polished part of the case and the bezel and the bracelet is really high-end, so they created it super cool, if you ask me. For this money, if you would like to have a homage of a Patek Philippe Nautilus, especially with the green dial, and if you would like to add some interesting piece with Arabic, real Arabic numerals on the dial, and with this very nice texture, this palm leaf style texture, if you ask me, this piece is a perfect pick for your collection. And I have already asked for some extra links because I would like to wear this watch, but in this way I cannot. And yeah, we can change, because this has a quick changing system. There are two little pins, just push and it will release. Yes. And the other, see? Yeah, goodbye bracelet. Just put it here. And let's try the leather styled but rubber strap. I guess this should attach here. Definitely not easy to do it and let the camera take it. Ah yes, you see, it's very easy how you can change the strap and the bracelet. And of course, this is a gift for the watch, at least for this piece, but you can buy additional straps and I guess additional bracelets too for your watch from the website of the NUUN Official. Okay, let's turn it because I'm right-handed. Yes. Is it fitted? Yes. So this is how it looks like on rubber. It's nice. I prefer the stainless steel bracelet, of course. I guess everyone prefers it, but this is a nice option if you wanna protect your bracelet. Then you can switch to this rubber, and thanks to the size of the rubber strap, now I can wear this watch. Comfortable, and you see, with the white shirt, even on this strap, the watch looks cool. And in this way, this is not small. So maybe it would be better in a 40mm wide case. At least that was my first thought, but I don't know. It's just okay, just elegant, so very nice. And the watch is super slim. So if you are okay with the homage thing, then this piece is absolutely great option. So I can tell only good things about this watch, and I strongly suggest you, if you would like to try this feeling. And I must tell, the watch is definitely close to the experience when a Patek Philippe Nautilus is on your wrist. And this is a little bit confusing even for me, because you know it's very hard to tell from when or for when a watch is a homage and from when it's a replica, a fake piece. But I guess there is enough uniqueness and style in this NUUN Official green one to say this is a homage piece and not not a faceless replica. So for me this watch is cool and okay. And now, and on this rubber strap I could wear it, but I want to wear it on stainless steel, so I asked for some extra links. And what is strange is if they can make the rubber this long, why the hell is the bracelet is this short? We are talking about 1 or 2 extra links what should be added. And if your wrist is smaller than mine, remove it. So this is a little bit confusing. Maybe next time they should focus on this too. Maybe they should focus or believe there are bigger people out there who has big wrists, but maybe that's just me. So this is it. This is how the watch looks like. I strongly suggest it. I really like it, and thank you for the NUUN Official to have this experience, because this piece is absolutely nice, and I can say amazing, and a great catch for the money. One more I have to tell: if you are okay with this Patek Philippe Nautilus homage style, and I'm also okay with it. And maybe if the watch would be a little bit more water resistant, that would be cool. But who knows, I guess the brand is growing, and maybe they will upgrade their pieces and collection. But very great quality. So thank you for watching, and see you later.